DailyDAVers Alec here. So I'm just going over my contacts on the CRM, optimizing our leads, categorizing them by tiers. That is going pretty well. I'm getting ready to have a conversation with Noam later this evening with a former scientist from NASA that owns a drone company. Hopefully we'll get some good progress on that, and that's it. Bye bye guys.
Hi everyone. So last time I spent the day researching BVLOS policies around the world and preparing for our visitors in January. Today I'm going to be creating a spreadsheet to summarize the BVLOS research that I did. I'm going to be evaluating another task management program, and I am going to review the status of and next steps for our bounty campaign. See you next time.
Hey everybody, Joe Lapardo here. Happy New Year. So on Friday, I worked on some paid marketing strategy. So we're working with one of our partners on that as well. So looking forward to getting that up and running in the next week or two. And I also worked on a few content pieces, both for the website and for the Medium. Today we had a great executive meeting with our team this morning. And then also I worked on some additional content pieces and then also on a video piece that we're going to be producing once our new website comes around. Did some additional work on the brand guidelines for that, some research on that, and then also some exciting stuff on the overall website as a whole as well. Thanks everybody and have a great day.
Hi everyone, Happy New Year! Today I'll start numerous identity guide, and our new design will become even more futuristic, innovation and sexy. Also today I'll make a few fixes for our homepage section. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow!